guys, looks like we got new neighbors moving in today. I'm so excited by us. Let's go and see if we can have a chat.
Yeah.
Hi there, welcome to the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Where did you guys move from?
We just moved from Italy.
Oh wow, that must have been a lot of work moving all the way from Italy
Yeah, that's what we thought until we found Baxter Shipping.
Really? Baxter Shipping? Tell us more about it.
Honestly, they were incredible.
Yeah.
We were stressed about shipping everything from Italy, but the team at Baxter managed it all for us.
Yeah, that's right. At Baxter, our expert team handles everything from careful packing and secure transport to safe delivery at your new home.
Baxter Shipping specializes in seamless international relocations to and from Italy. Our services include packing, transporting, and unpacking household goods safely. Flexible shipping options: air shipment, LCL, shared containers, FCL, full containers, and groupage shipping. Customs support, handling documentation and clearance for smooth delivery. Vehicle shipping, safe transport of cars and other vehicles. Whether you're moving from the UAE to Italy or vice versa, Baxter ensures a stress-free, efficient relocation tailored to your needs.